A couple of years ago, I fried some catfish, but I did it my way, the way I always do it. I put a little chicken in my stuff. Anyway, I want you to watch this show if you want some real good catfish. Hey, this is the way I do it on the bayou. And here we go, we're starting right now. Just because it's cloudy outside doesn't mean the sun ain't shining. Hot dang. Hey, oh, yeah, baby. Let's get started. So now the video's over. What do you think, Sheriff? Wasn't it good? Hey, listen. I've got a brand new cookbook. It's on Amazon. Amazon.com. Tell you what, you're really going to enjoy that cookbook. Hey, that's just something else for me to do. Anyway, the Chef Bourque, I'm going to talk with you later. I hope you enjoy the catfish. Go ahead and make it, Shy. It's all good out here. Aye, oh yeah, baby. Dang, we're having a good time. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh yeah.